Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Bank of America mobile banking step by step clearly. Open the Bank of America mobile banking app on your device. If you haven't installed the app yet, go to your app store and download it. Once the app is open, you'll see the login screen. Enter your online ID in the first text field. Make sure your online ID is entered correctly, as it is case sensitive. Next, enter your passcode in the appropriate text field. If you've forgotten your passcode, tap the Forgot Passcode link for help. Once both your online ID and passcode are entered, tap the Login button. Wait for the app to authenticate your information. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Should you encounter an error message, double-check your inputs for accuracy. If you need to reset your password, follow the prompts provided in the app. For added security, you may need to answer security questions or enter a one-time verification code. Ensure that your device has internet access to complete the login process. If you are using the app for the first time, follow the prompts to set up additional security measures. After successfully logging in, you can access your account features, including balance inquiries and fund transfers. Remember to log out after each session to protect your account information. Always ensure you are using the latest version of the app for the best experience. If you face ongoing issues, consider contacting Bank of America customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.